The Rauschert Group is a group-independent enterprise with more than 100 years of experience in the production of technical ceramics and molded plastic parts. Rauschert produces with 1,500 employees at 17 locations worldwide. Efficient and economic production are guaranteed by state-of-the-art equipment and in-house tool-making departments. Thereby, quality, customer orientation and the will to develop continuously are the basis for the activities of all our departments. Meanwhile, there is a network of experts at locations in Europe, Asia and Latin America.
A new range of products is guiding the Rauschert Group right into the future, into the world of the nanos and nanotechnology. But what do we mean by nanos? Nanos has its roots in the Greek language and means dwarf, but a nanometer is still just a millionth of a millimeter. In order to demonstrate a nanometer, let's have a look at this comparison. Assume that this golf ball is only 1 nanometer in size. In relation, 1 meter would equal the diameter of our whole Earth. A crucial effect of nanotechnology comes to light in our next example. Here's a cube of wood of 10 centimeters edge length. The more I divide the cube, the larger its surface becomes. If I now divide the cube into nanoparticles, its surface will extend to the size of 1,000 football fields, approximately 600 square kilometers. The Innopore company, a joint enterprise of Innoceramic and our group of companies, takes advantage of this surface increase. The ceramic membrane developed by the Hermsdorfer Institute for Technical Ceramics is capable of decomposing liquids into their physical components, their molecules. We refer to this as nanofiltration. The basic component of a filtration system is a ceramic tube as shown here. Let's look inside this ceramic tube now. The inner surface is coated with a nanoporous ceramic membrane. The liquid to be filtered is now pumped through the tube. Thereby the filtrate, water in this case, diffuses through the nanopores and the ceramic outer tube, crosswise to the flow direction. In this case, the term cross-flow filtration is used. The concentrate remains within the system and can be extracted in its concentrated form. Let's have a look at the Innopore experimental facility in operation.
Rauschert membrane tubes are first inserted into an inox steel case and mounted into the filtration system. Then the contaminated liquid is filled into a reservoir and the system is started. Depending on the customer's requirements, the system can be equipped with various types of membranes for the filtration of a wide variety of substances. The contaminated liquid is forced through the raw membrane at high pressure, and right from the start the pure filtrate emerges and can be drained through a valve after a short time, while the contaminants accumulate in a tank. Innopore filtration applications offer tailor-made solutions for every filtration task, from micro through ultra up to nano filtration.
However, now I'd like to know which liquids can be filtrated by ceramic filtration membranes. Let me talk about this issue with Dr. Volksberger from the Hermsdorfer Institute for Technical Ceramics. Dr. Volksberger, which are all the fields of applications for these filtration tubes? Our filter tubes Innopore offer a wide range of applications. These are in the fields of clear filtration, the concentration of suspensions and emulsions, the recycling and cleaning of process waste waters, the separation of low and high molecular components, as well as drinking water purification. Does that mean that this technology can even improve drinking water quality in developing countries? That's right. We successfully operate a prototype at our site in India already. Dr. Volksberger, what are the advantages of ceramic membranes? Filtration by membranes is more affordable than other filtration methods. They can be operated without change of phases and are product friendly, while integrated system control and continuous operation save running costs. Innopore membrane filters are highly selective and environmentally sound. They separate mixtures of substances purely physically. No additives are required, and the processing temperature is not limited. Thank you, Dr. Volksberger. I hope we could convince you of the potential of the Rauschert Group of companies. The trend towards nanotechnology is obvious. Here at Rauschert, we have found ways to apply this technology to the benefit of the environment and suitable for everyday use. And what can be clearer than pure water? This is Pia Dahlem of the Rauschert Group of companies, wishing you an enjoyable day.